AV Riders, thanks for joining me again. Today I'm reviewing another Kriega product. This is the Sling Pro messenger bag. I've been using this for a few months along with my R35 when I didn't need to carry anything too big, and these are going to be my thoughts. So first things first, let's open her up, show you inside. So you've got a little compartment here. I'm sure I've got plenty of storage space in there for some paperwork, stickers and stuff. Then you've got your first compartment here, which opens up. A fair amount of storage in there. You've got a zipped pocket there, which is big enough for a wallet. You've also got these elastic bits here, so you can put pens in, all sorts. Well, quite a few of them, to be honest. I don't know why there's so many. But, so yeah, that's it. And you've got a second compartment here, which is a bit bigger. So that's probably perfect for your lunch. Plenty of space in there. And then you've got your waterproof compartment here, which features that roll top, and that will take a laptop. I'm going to demonstrate with this is my MacBook Pro, and it will fit in there and keep your laptop safe and dry. So there we go. Quite a practical little thing. Close up the cut, roll top. I'll demonstrate. Push it over your shoulder. See? Just use that jacket up. And you get this adjustable strap here. So you pull that down, you have to be very careful though, because there's one piece here that's particularly sharp and ripped some off my finger off first time I used it. So watch you don't get caught on that piece. Watch you don't get caught on that piece there. Yeah, actually drew blood. So yeah, wearing it, that is fine. You've got a strap here. I've found that when you're walking about, it tends to fall down after a while, so you have to do it really tight against you. Even then, it does, as you're walking, it has a tendency to go further and further down like that, which is probably annoying. So I didn't really bother using this much. Back in, taking it off, pull your adjuster back up. Take it off. It does fit over a helmet nicely when it's all extended like that. You've also got that padded back there, so it's quite comfortable. So overall, very practical bit of kit if you only need to carry some small items like a lunch and your laptop. I'm going to go through some of the disadvantages now. I found that I wore this at the Classic Bike Show in Stafford the other week, and I wore it for the whole day, and I had my GoPro equipment in and so a few bits to eat, and by the end of the day it was hurting. It's because obviously all that weight has been pulled down on your shoulder, It's alright for 2-3 hours, but for a whole day it's probably a bit much. So it'll be fine to go to work with on your bike, and I found it doesn't really move much. I mean, you can, what I was doing is you can slide it around to your back anyway, so it's resting on your back seat. But yeah, if you're walking around with it all day with stuff inside, it does get very uncomfortable. So that's one thing I'd be aware of if you're interested in this. One other issue I found is it is quite tight to get, like, if you've got a lunchbox and your laptop, you do really have to squeeze it in, especially if you've got a big lunchbox like me, who owns this. But yeah, I found with a lunchbox and the laptop in there and a few other little bits in the front, it's very tight. The opening is quite narrow as well. So, but I don't think that's really what this bag is designed for. It's more of a, you know, just a short commute bag, I'd say. One other little drawback I would say though is the pad material there isn't particularly comfortable. It's rubberised, presumably so it doesn't slip, which works really well, but I find it is a bit harsh on your shoulder. Yeah, so it's okay for a short commute, but I wouldn't say it's something that you can use all day long because it will get uncomfortable. You do have a handle there as well though, so you can carry it if it does get too much on your shoulder. But yeah, this is currently £139, and I think for the quality it is, and you get 10-year warranty as always with Kriega products, and everything feels well built. There's YKK zips with the I can't remember what they're called now. So they're easy to open. Yeah, so I feel it's well worth it. Another Kriega product that's well worth the money, and highly recommend it. Cheers guys.